Hello there, my name is Karen Barassa and I'm a teacher here at Mike Mountain Horse Elementary School in Lethbridge. I'm also a member of the Rocky Mountain Book Award Committee, and we are celebrating our 20th year of winners. And I'm here today with some members of our school Rocky Mountain Book Award Club, and they're very, very excited because they get to play an important part today in celebrating this award by making a very special early bird draw. Many schools have already registered to be a part of the club this year, and we are going to choose 3 winners who will get to take home a whole set of books, or to their school, a whole set of books of this year's nominees. So out of our very special bag here, we're going to do 3 draws. We need a drum roll, please. Thank you. The first school to win is Biche County Libraries. So then girls, we'll have you step out of frame there. Pass it on to the next group. Here you go. Okay, second draw. The second winner. Drum roll, please. This is St. Catherine's School. And finally, our third winning school for the third set of books is Ecole Mallaig School. Congratulations to all of our early bird draw winners. You can look forward to that set of books arriving at your school soon.